Hey gorgeous, thanks for your interest in the Balance Babes 30-day Hormone Reset Program. This is an incredible program for anyone who knows that they're feeling out of balance, is feeling a bit heavy, a bit sluggish, maybe has put on a couple of kilos and they can't shift, your digestion's heavy, and you're just not feeling yourself altogether, but you may be not ready to commit to a complete full-on detox overhaul. This is a quick 30-day process that you can do yourself, self-directed at home, following the instruction manual, and it includes 5 incredible products to help you through the process to address the common blocks that are leading to the sluggishness, the heaviness, those reasons why we can't shift weight in the process. So it really does address your colon health, your adrenal health, your liver health, and then of course we're putting in those healthy bacteria as well, which really helps with your immune system ongoing, your digestive health, as well as your gut microbiome, which is really, really important for mood and emotional well-being and hormonal imbalance ongoing. So as part of the 30-day reset, it's something that you can do at home on your own. We will be following a plant-based diet because I believe this is the most healthy way to support your liver and colon cleanse. There is the option to do a juice fast through that process, but it's a really solid program broken into 3 stages, which you can do at home by yourself. You have all the tools that you need to really help you with your skin health. Your energy levels will pick up. If you're struggling with a brain fog, there's a lot of things that you can achieve in just 30 days. So if you're not quite ready to dive into a complete life overhaul and commit to, a 3-month program, this is a great place to start if you're brand new to this sort of stuff, or maybe you think you're pretty healthy overall and you just like to reset yourself, a couple of times a year and just get yourself back on track.